Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool number line. We are working on solving problems, and we have a problem related to TEKS 3.2c that we will solve in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have a point on a number line. And it's not necessarily named for us, but you see it's right there between 6,000 and 7,000, and it represents the number of books in the school library. Now, the reason we do this is because we are going to describe this number, and if we look at our choices here, is it more or less than 6,000? Is it more or less than 7,000? Well, the reason we do this is because when we round numbers, we don't need the exact answer. So when we round, we will either say we need a number that's about the correct number. We might say we want to estimate, or we might say approximate or approximately. All of these means we don't need exact numbers, and we need something that's kind of close and easy to work with mentally if we wanted to quickly add or subtract numbers. And so it doesn't even matter what this number is. What we could do is we can see that it's between two boundary numbers, 6,000 and 7,000. So the midpoint is going to be the deciding factor for us. So you see, we already have a little hash mark right there, or a tick mark right there. And we need to figure out what is the midpoint between 6,000 and 7,000. Well, first, we need to think what is the range, or what is the difference between 7,000 and 6,000? So if we subtract these two, we want to see how far apart they are. All right, so there's a range or a difference of 1,000. So this tick mark is exactly in the middle between 6,000 and 7,000, which are 1,000 apart. So what's half of 1,000? That's really what I'm looking for. Half of 1,000. Now we could do some division, but most of us can use some mental math and figure out, okay, what plus what makes 1,000? So 500 plus 500. So half of 1,000 is 500. So I can say that this midpoint is either 500 more than 6,000, so 6,500, or I can say it's 500 less than 7,000, which is also going to be 6,500. So that's my midpoint. So when we have our midpoint, now we have all the information we need. Any point that lies on the midpoint or the next benchmark is going to round up. And if you are just below, so that's going to be 6,499. So just below, you're going to round down. And so it's not exact, it's not meant to be exact, but it's meant to kind of get it close. And so we see our point here is definitely below the midpoint, so it's going to round down to 6,000. So let's take a look at our answer choices. The number of books, remember that's being represented by this dot here, is more than 7,000. Well, here's 7,000, and so they're saying it is more than 7,000, and that is incorrect. That's not even actually close. All right, so B, the number of books is less than 6,000. Now that would be right here, and there's nothing there. So that is closer than the last one, but it's still incorrect. So we're between C and D. The number of books is about. All right, so this is what I was talking about. When we see these words about, round, estimate, or approximately, it means we're going to round the number. We don't need the exact answer. So we do need a round. Is it about 7,000 or is it about 6,000? Well, you see that it's closer to 6,000. Why is it closer to 6,000? Well, because it's below our midpoint, this tick mark of 6,500 that we've already identified. So we would not say that the book is about 7,000 because it's closer to 7,000 because that is only the case for 6,500 and above. We would say that the book is about or rounds to 6,000 because it's within this zone right here, right below our midpoint to the benchmark. So our answer here is going to be D.